You steal from your own children and you believe it is acceptable. Who are you? It is estimated that legal school fee exemptions in South Africa amount to about 10 billion rand per year. It is also estimated that people that can afford to pay school fees and don't steal about 6 billion rand per year from children and their fellow South Africans. When you can afford to, but you don't pay school fees, you are one of these thieves. Also one of these thieves is you who keep quiet about this when you know it's happening. Don't you have respect for yourself, your children? Don't you want the best for your children? Don't you have respect for your cousins, your nieces, your nephews, your fellow South Africans? And who must pay for your children? Is it your neighbor, your colleague, your brother, perhaps your sister or your mother or your father? Or do you stupidly think the government must pay for them? When you can't afford to, but you don't pay school fees, you are three things. You are stupid, a weak link in creating the future most South Africans want, and a thief. And if you keep quiet about this, when you know it's happening, you are just as stupid, the same weak link, and an accomplice to theft. Don't complain about things not working in our country, other people not doing what is right, when you don't do what is right. Don't talk about corruption and crime when you do exactly the same. Nothing is free. Someone pays because you are a thief.